Let's start our new topics on the physics chapter 1, and here we talk about what is the significant figure. It is a important topic for understanding the concept of measurement and process. Basically, whenever we measurement of anything else, for example, I say the measurement of this pen, I say you see, for example, the pen measurement is like 4 centimeter point 5 inches, basically millimeter and anything else. Okay, so I'm saying the 4.5 centimeter of my pen. You say that is, sir, your pen is like almost 4.5 centimeter of length. Okay, so the exact four numbers you are known exactly by the using of a scale. Okay, and the remaining part, the 0.5 which you add on this, it is basically the significance number. Basically it is the uncertain number. Okay, that is, you guess the number, it is a 5 or 4 and 6. By you will say that like, sir, we see in the scale, but actually it is the significant number of both the exact number, the known number basically, which is the certain, you clearly see in the decimal, and plus of the uncertain number, basically, which was uncertain. You only guess the number, and you say like 4.5 and the first uncertain number, and you can say like 4, it may be 5.6, 4.5.6 and 5.001 and something else like 4.00005. so it is basically the, we can say the whole number after the number, we can say that it is the guessing part, and exact number plus of uncertain number, it called based the significant number. I say significant number. Okay, and the way of knowing the significant number is some rules which was defining that the numbers are insignificant or the not. So some numbers, like for example, if I say that 4.01, so I asking you like how many significant numbers, like the how many numbers can signify it as a figure of significant number basically. So how many number, if say 1 2 3, so 3 numbers. Okay, and if I say the 445, the how many significant number, we signify the measurement of precision, like it is a 2. So significant numbers and actually is like a, for the measuring part, the actual number which you know, and the exact guessing number by the adding of this, and it was like a something, you know. Okay, and the rule for knowing the significant number, first is all the non-zero number like this, or like a 90, or sorry, or like a 1 2, anything else which was a non-zero number. So we can say that as a non-zero number, sorry, so non-zero numbers are all significant number. Okay, or are significant figure, basically numbers. And if 0 is a not significant number because there is no value of it, if the number is from between the two numbers, like 0 is between 2 or more than 3, basically the between the two non-zero numbers, it can also be significant. So here the significant number is 3, 1 2 3 4 is the significant number, how many numbers are significant. And the third part is says that, like for example, if I say in the decimal number, if I say the 0.001, okay, so any number which was the right side of the significant number, but actual and left the whole number or non-zero number, it is not a significant number. So for the significant number, it should be the right side of the whole number basically. And for example, if 100, so you can say that like, sir, it has the non-zero number, but actually the 0, it can seem like 100. No, it actually have only one significant number. So in the trail part, like the ending part of non-zero negative number, it is non-zero numbers, so it has no only one significant number, and the 0 is not counting part of significant number. And secondly, if I say the 1.000, in that case it is a significant number in the after of the pointing system. Okay, because it's like a guessing number of it. So it has 4 type of significant number. And some extra part, like for example, if I say the 1 into 10 to the power of 7, the actually part is the 10 to the power 000 something like, and so it is a not countable part, and you see only one significant of number. And you can also like saying that okay, and the numbers like exact number of 2, it also has the infinite type of significant number. For this is the 1, and for 2.00 it has 2, it also like of that. And now let's explain the rule. So the significant number is like we measurementing with a precise precaution, like either no one error can be happen in that. So we use the significant number with a certain number which is a known plus of uncertain number plus of a certain number first basically digit, because of all the numbers are guessing after of that. For example, if it is 4 plus of 0.5, it becomes the 4.5, and the significant figure is 2, 1 plus of 1, so it is a 2 significant of figure. So actually the understanding the significant figure, the number, we can say like we want to calculate the measurement of this and exact calculate the 4 per centimeter and plus 0.5. So the 0.5 is your guessing number. You can you just guess the number. The actual part is the 0.5 maybe, and 0.005, 0.025. So it was a significant. It was some guessing number. So significant can easily understand by the certain part plus the guessing part. And some rules for determining the significant number. That is the all non-zero number. We can say it is a significant. Okay, and 0 is not significant number. Basically 0 is a not significant figure. Second, if 0 between two non-zero number, so it is now significant figure. Okay, significant number. For example, A, 0, B, and both are non-zero, then in that case it will become the 3 significant of figure. Okay, and the 4 part is like when we see, okay, the 4 part is if in a decimal we can say that right of the decimal and left of the decimal of the non-zero digit not significant number. Okay, not significant number, can say not significant number. And third is like the trail number, the ending 0. Okay, end 0 of non-zero digit is a not significant number. And in the case of decimal, it is significant, like 4.000 have 4 decimal. Okay, the second thing is the 10 to the power of x. In this case, not significant number. For example, 4 into 10 to the power of x, it is not only one significant number, which one is 4. And the third is if I have the exact number, this number has infinite significant number. For example, say 2, it has only 1. 2.00, it has 3, and 2.00000 is countable number. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of the significant number. Basically all non-zero significant number, I use some example like all the non-zero number, say 4 significant number, 0 it is not significant number, 0 between 404, yeah, it is a significant number. And third is in the decimal of right side, for example is the 0.00, now 1. Okay, so it has the 0 in the right side and left side of the non-zero number. It is a not significant figure, but actually if it's 0.00, now it becomes the 2 significant number because the ending part of it. And the third is in the case of decimal number, okay, so like 400, it's not countable for significant number, so it's only one significant number. Second, in the case of decimal, 4.0000, it is a 4 decimal significant number, now countable for this guessing part, like, okay. And in the case of expansion, like 1 into 10 to the power of say 10, there's a nothing value for countable, not used, and only be meaning for the non-zero part, so it is a significant number. And exact number, for example, if say I say 2 is have one significant number, okay. And if I say 2.0, 2 significant number, 2.20, 3 significant number, similarly for more. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of significant number. In next class we will discuss some more and factor on this physics. I hope you understand. Bye bye.